Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to episode 160 of the castle. I think that's what we're on at the moment. I found a stick, and we're gonna try and get some more stones and sticks towards the castle. And I might check on my Monsterios to see if they're still there, or if they've gone rotten, or if the seagulls have broken in and eaten them. Cameraman Chris came to say hello too. Alright, we're going to build the wall and use that stick as the reinforcement beam.
Police my thoughts, you don't get a say. Hands off my head, get out the way. You count my steps, I break the chain. You talk.
Alrighty, I got one extra load of sticks and I'm going to try and weave them into the stones as a civil reinforcing mesh. That should hopefully stop them from rolling away as fast.
Control, I talk rain. You want a cage, I want a door. You want a leash, I want more. Try that script I rewrite. My mind don't bend when you get loud at night. You can circle the block, you can knock on the frame, but the lock in my chest got a different name. You lean in close, I don't flinch, I don't fold. One wrong move and the whole thing goes cold. My thoughts, I want, and I will confiscate your sentience. Try to police my thoughts, I want, and I will confiscate.
We've all got cameras, it's like a Mexican standoff.
You brought rules, I brought teeth. You brought noise, I brought heat. Every sweet little threat turned to ash in my palm. You lose your grip. Stay calm. I don't beg, I don't plead, I don't need your poison creed. If you reach for my brain, you leave with less, I take the flame. You can circle the block, you can knock on the frame, but the lock in my chest got a different name. You lean in close, I don't flinch, I don't fold. One wrong move and the whole thing goes cold. Try to police my
one more load of stone from down the bottom. I'm going to try and smush it in this wall.
Confiscate your sentience.
This is my last load for now. I might do some later loads later, but crispy burning out.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins, now I'll get some gold doubloons.
Sonic in my source code, on the kicks a hard road. Like an enderman, take them all out solo. Safety in numbers, thinking they can plunder. Then they come for me to disappear in the thunder. Lightning.
Okie dokie. We have made a very minor addition. And we've been turning the floor from sand into stones again. As you can see, we've got an entirely stone floor again, which is much less comfortable and prone to bird poopies, but eventually I'll probably make it back into sand. Wouldn't it be funny if I just left this chest in here and just buried it and then dug it up like 12 years later? Anyway, I will call that the end of episode 160, I think it is, of the castle. There's another little panorama. Barely made any difference at all, but we have added a teeny tiny bit to that wall down there and a little bit more to the floor so that we're a little bit higher up, but barely noticeably. I also got some new sticks from like a long way that way the other day. And cameraman Chris is here. Say bye to cameraman Chris, and he might wave, but there's no guarantees. Oh yeah, he did. You got to subscribe now because cameraman Chris waved.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I'll get some gold doubloon.
I'm a daily just chillin' with the gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, then a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So am I, mine, and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
So am I, mine, and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish
Until I'm filled.
break into my PC like stealing a DVD. I'm the Trojan horse, now your botnet is my news feed. Fruit salad can satchel charge, now we're playing Rust. Hexamine and nitric acid turn my enemies to dust.
Don't worry, just a prank, bro, like the prank you played on me. It's just a little napalm, don't worry about that tree.
Get wreck news. I'm really good at pranks, but I never touched a boob. Just a normal human, nothing to see here. So whatever you were thinking, don't think it here. Look into my neuralizer, I was never here. You said that I can't, I say hold my beer. Just kidding, I don't drink low.
Okay, bye.